I did. I said I do. I have 43 years of marriage experience. So just ask.
Everybody's gonna come shake your hands and want to hug.
Are you guys kidding? You practiced walking? No, you know I'm serious. You looked fine. You looked sure how you walked yesterday. Remember we said walk and you walked normal.
You know me.
I know. I wore my clothes.
Okay, Ashley.
Are you freezing?
Where would you like photos of this?
I don't know.
The pergola's really nice right there.
Let's do that.
They're not identical. Oh, the grass is good.
We actually don't even know if we're identical.
No?
No. They didn't, like when they didn't tell us.
Well, you look so much the same.
Yeah.
Oh, Ronnie, you look.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Can you guys hold me?
Another one?
Hold your face in.
Okay. You look awesome,
man.
You look awesome. Elijah looks good. Melissa.
This last wall with the straw clay and a little bit on that far one there, but that has to be above freezing, right?
So I love the project.
That's fun.
Like the end result now.
She always told me.
It didn't look that big, you know.
No.
When we were first here,
Yeah.
we said we put up like it's a fair room. You could park a tractor and keep the.
Oh.
Guys, groomsmen, maid, bridesmaids.
Oh, God.
That's funny.
Gentlemen of the manor there, yeah?
You guys squish it more.
Caleb, go closer to Tim.
Caleb, can you move closer?
Yeah, move in.
Why doesn't Jim go in? I guess he's on the first
Perfect.
Tim, me.
Okay, now the pair.
Okay, cool, you're so photogenic.
You gotta go down the other way, Elijah.
Okay.
Did you get pictures just of them alone?
I will ask.
Did you get some on the hill bay? Did they want some at all?
Hay bales?
Hay bales?
No, but I will ask everyone.
I don't even know what they are anymore.
All of us together.
It turned out any better. I don't think so.
I agree. Yeah.
I think it turned
It
out
was good.
It was a lot colder yesterday.
Yeah, no, it was a lovely time. It was warm in there. Yeah.
Anywhere. You
I
lead
don't
us.
care. I like the door.
You lead us.
Yeah, Ash, it would be so nice with just her. It's so nice with her.
Honey, can you?
Where's Elijah?
Elijah!
See
I
it
go down.
anymore now.
She will block it. Go come in.
You can't come in. You're not gonna block it.
Summer, honey, stand back.
Fine looking picture, isn't it?
I don't even know where to look anymore. Oh, look at Brianna.
Snap, 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 snap.
Oh, the light.
That's a knee slapper.
Elijah, you're the groom!
Okay, wait.
And then that's my kid.
Your flowers look amazing.
Whoever did that was really
Alice, are you going home to Grandma? Who wants to go?
want, I can start the car and warm it up. We can sit in there. Maybe that would work better.
How long are you staying here for?
Well, I don't know if we have to move chairs or something.
No, except not today.
Oh, okay. They don't have to move to the hall? Middle. You guys can tell us which looks better, I guess.
Able.
That was a good one.
Guys, I want one too. Stay,
Here we stand, middle of their farm field. It's a beautiful winter November day, gorgeous temperature, and we just had a wedding, and Abel's been the best boy ever at the wedding. Just so good.